Hello crafty friends, it's Donna here from Donna is Playing Paper, and I have a real bounty of butterflies for you today. I'm going to be making a Valentine's Day card today, but this card could be used in so many ways for so many different cards. It doesn't need to be butterflies and it doesn't need to be a heart. A swoosh of stars or a rainbow of flowers would look equally good using the same technique. To start with, I'm going to create my own watercolour paper. One of my favourite things about making February cards is that I get to put pink and red together, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm using reinkers in worn lipstick and picked raspberry. The ink is really thick and vibrant and makes it easy to colour a card very quickly. Once that's dry, I've used the Bounty of Butterflies die to cut out a bunch of butterflies. I've used the Scribble hearts die to cut out my white love heart, and I'm adding the butterflies. You can see that I've put some of the more front-on butterflies, the more traditional butterfly shaped cutouts at the top, and I'm using those as my top layer. And so I'm filling up the background and then adding those ones on the top. I'm working just a little at a time, adding glue, sticking down some background butterflies, and then adding some feature butterflies on top. It's a fairly quick process. And here's the finished product. I'm going to add a little bit of pattern directly to my card, and I'm using the halftone stencil to do that, along with some worn lipstick ink. I'm still getting settled into my house in Australia. At the time of making this card, we'd been here for less than a week, and so I can't find any ink blending brushes or tools or anything, and so I'm working with some old makeup sponges for now. Today's sentiment comes from the black and white sentiment sheets, and I'm going to add that as well as a couple of little butterflies. As always, I'm using a black marker, in this case my Memento Tuxedo black marker, just to cover up the white core of the card from around the edge of that cutout. And then it's a simple matter of sticking down the heart, the sentiment, and the extra butterflies. I'm going to leave you with some pictures of the card so that you can see all the details close up. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I hope that you're able to spend some time with the people that you love. Until next time, stay safe everybody. Bye for now.